Hey guys, happy Sunday. So I am coming to you from the Dollar Tree. Now, I needed to run into the Dollar Tree this morning to grab some bleach because for some reason I still like to wash my dishes with bleach. And yes, I still do dishes by hand and I have a dishwasher. Don't ask me why. But while I was in there, I thought that it'd be cool to go ahead and record this video. So let's go ahead and check out some of the items that they have in the Dollar Tree. Now, if you are in the Huntsville area, you can still, all our Dollar Trees are open until 8 o'clock p.m. So they did reduce their hours, I think, by 1 hour. But yeah, you can get some items if you still need them. So for those that are thinking about making homemade Easter baskets, they have everything such as basket stuffers, eggs, all kinds of stuff. So the beauty and cosmetic aisle is my favorite aisle to go down. Some of the items that just stuck out to me, I love this hard candy matte blush bronzer and duo set. And then they also have this hard candy, which is another blush. Now, I have never purchased hard candy before, and then this looks like a makeup palette, but to me it has like more of your fall colors. And then we all know that Dollar Tree keeps LA colors and just different things there. It looks like they have a few e.l.f. items. Now with our store, the e.l.f. goes pretty quickly. This is a mauve lip pencil. No, I'm gonna leave that. And then I like the fact that they have these three-piece nail polish sets. I think this would work well, especially like if you're doing a pamper me day while you are in the house. That would work well for little girls. And then they have this, which is like your travel set on the go, which I'm surprised we have so many items there, okay? And then this is sort of the men's stuff for last minute gifts, but I am going to leave that because I don't need any of those items, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and keep it moving. Now, this is where we struck gold. Some of the items that just stood out to me was this Freeman detoxifying charcoal mask. They also have the pomegranate one, and then I've seen the cucumber one. Now, Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam sounds okay, you know, but not necessarily my zhuzh. And then they have some moisturizing body oil. Ooh, okay, coconut. I definitely may grab one of those. And then of course they have the Suave. Now guys, these smell amazing, okay? If you go to Ulta, I think it's called by like the Body Shop or the Body Factory. These are like the knockoffs. This banana one smells great, so I'm gonna grab that one to try. And then we also have like a lot of facial cleansing wipes. So we have everything from vitamin E. They have witch hazel, lavender, which I absolutely love. And then here's the Freeman one. So, and then I've seen these in Walmart so many times, and we have them here. They are only $1 as well. This is a nice little thing to get. So I may grab this because I always get the jar at Walmart. And I think I'm gonna grab this one and try it out as well. Now guys, this is what I'm here for. I cannot believe that they actually have these. They remind you of the Bath and Body Works. Now over there when I was looking behind some of the actual facial wipes, I seen a lotion, and I think that is gonna be for me. So look. Oh my gosh, yep. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna say it was meant for me to get it. So I'm gonna try these and see what happens, okay? But let's continue down the aisle. And then they have the Mango and Banana Beauty. Never heard of this brand before, so I'm gonna leave it. And then with our aisle, they have these, which is like the soap and sponge in them. Gonna leave those as well. And then what I thought was super cool was it looks like Freeman is just in our store now, and they have the hair mask that you can do. So this is definitely a self-care if you want to do some self-care while you are at home. Now, I don't know why I thought these were made by the deodorant company Speed Stick. I'm thinking Power Stick, never heard of them, but they do have this conditioner which smells amazing, and then this conditioner as well. So, or this is shampoo. Oh, this is conditioner. Oh, okay. Wait. They got the shampoo and conditioner. Okay, cool beans. So those are the items that just really stuck out on this aisle for me. Just did not see so much. So let's go ahead. I am about to grab that Bath and Body Works knockoff though, okay? Like, it is definitely going home with me. All right, so let's see what else we can find. All right guys, so when it comes to like our cereal, majority of the stuff is already gone, but we do have some Fiber One honey clusters, We have the pumpkin spice Cheerios. I would definitely check the date on those. And then we also have these Fiber One strawberry and vanilla clusters. So I think those may actually be really good. And then here on the end cap, we have this Tony lash bar. So it is a lot of different lashes, and this is the first time that I've seen this at our store. And so I'm super surprised to see this, and yeah, I'm about to grab me a few lashes, okay? Have you tried these? Let me know. And so you
$4 a piece.
have you ever tried those lashes?
I just got some on right now.
Oh.
I put them on last night, so I came back in here to get.
And so they're not flimsy. They're really.
I slept in them all night.
You slept in them?
I never take mine off. I have no eyelashes, so the doctor told me that your eyelashes is what protects your eyeball.
Right.
So he told me to learn how to put these on, and I learned by myself. It took me a long time, but I finally got it figured out. I've been wearing them for a long time. I keep them bought out in here all the time.
Wow.
Because I come and buy them all the time.
Oh my gosh.
These right here are really, really good, because I put the fiber mascara on them.
Okay.
And put regular mascara on them too. But usually any of that I've bought out of here, I can keep on for a month.
A month?
Yeah, because
straight? Like but you're in exercise clothes. Do you sweat?
Yeah.
And
I'm sweating in right now. I'm burning up. I stay hot.
And so when it comes to the glassware, it can be hit or miss, but our store seems to be hitting today. And you can see they have all different sizes, different colors, different ranges. Now, I'm just not a fan, because I have seen where you can get like the box kits for a lot less, or you can just buy like a full set. So I don't care to get them, but they also do have the glass bowls with the lid. Now, I love putting fruit, and if you like to like take pictures and put them on Instagram, they have the clear bowls as well. And then I thought these were super cute. These were nice, so you can put like your vinegar, or you can put your oil in here and have it by your stove. So for $1, you cannot beat that. And then these are nice, and then I really like these. So both of these I really were a fan of. And then they have these glasses, which states bloom where you are planted. And so they have both sizes here. Just some little items, and it looks like they're putting in their spring plateware, so you can see that. Now this one has the design here, and I like that they have the salad plate to match. So cool little set. And this is what we have. So, and it looks like they got a lot of the fall items finally came through. So look at some of the mugs. Happy pumpkin spice latte season, fall harvest. So it looks like they finally, oh, that's super cute mug shot. Oh, that is so cute. How adorable is that? Now, I thought these were great, which was like the travel mugs. And not only the travel mugs, you got your water bottles, but look at these. And it's a 2-piece set. And so they have drink up, rise and grind, make today amazing. So I thought those were really nice as well. And then what are these? What is this? Oh, a lunch storage tower. Okay. This is kind of like my protein shake, where you can put half protein and half nuts. This is cool. I think it definitely will work, especially if you're into fitness. And then they have these water bottles. So it looks like we are fully stocked today as well. All right, so let's go ahead and go and see what else they have. All right, guys, I just may have to do a haul video on the Dollar Tree, because when I tell you, these candles are everything. Now this one, not so much, but this one smells like a salted caramel ice cream. Seriously, look at all of these candles that they have. These little ones, the golden citron, oh my gosh. And then see the good, wake up and kick butt. This would like set the whole mood for me, being at home, pure bliss. Oh my gosh. And look at these, the Bible candles, biblical verses. Oh, let's see here. For when I am weak, then I am strong. Yes, yes. Come on, affirmations. Come on, pray without ceasing, guys. And this time we have to go ahead and continue to pray, okay? Oh my gosh, look at these candles as well. Now, I will say this, these are some men scented candles. I smelled the fog cloud, smells great. Absolutely great. It has a, what is the candle? It's one candle by Bath and Body Works, and it has like this musk smell to it. It's very manly. But then they have these, everyone knows already about the cinnamon bun pumpkin. That's nothing new. This one is okay, not really my favorite from smelling, but this right here, oh my gosh, lime margarita. It feels like you're at the beach, like you're at the beach and you have that little umbrella in one of your drinks. Oh my gosh, look at these candles. Look, look, look. Now guys, this right here is everything. I'm just gonna grab, not this one, not that one, but this one is everything. It smells very fruity, melony, like melon. If that's your vibe, this is what you need. I'm about to grab at least 4 of those. Oh my gosh. And then of course they have like some different decor, but the candles are where it's at. And then if you come on this side, it looks like they have just little knickknacks. And then you can always, I love little things like this because you can put them on your desk, friends, home. And then look at these little ladies. Hey girls. Okay, Fave Dream Piece, little angels, and then seashells, and wow, look at here, look at here. So no worries at all. And this looks like a date night. Oh, so like a little jar that you can actually put things for your date night, your rainy day fun. Okay. And then look, wow. Oh my gosh, I need one of these for church. Let me see if I can do it. Hold on, let's see here. Oh yeah, I got it. Oh yes, yes. I need one of these for church. I might grab one of these. Look, see, I need to get out of here because I'm trying to buy everything. And then I love these in the home. Now I put these in water. Let me see. Oh, they don't smell that great. Nope, leave them right here. But yeah, so guys, let's go ahead and go to the next aisle because you see I'm about to buy everything. All right, guys, so I did come across these cute totes which have great messages on them. Imagine, dream, believe, always. And then this one will work well for males if you want to just throw like their gym clothes or different things in there where it says don't forget your stuff. And then you can never go wrong with like a plain black tote. Now they also had the smaller tote, so this one says boom pow chicka bang. Okay, maybe I threw that in there, but guys, if you are still in need of stuff, our Dollar Tree restocks on Tuesday, and they did explain to me that if you still need toilet paper, bleach, or any items like that, they will have a new truck in on Tuesday. So for those people that are in Huntsville that are watching this video, you may want to check it out if you need those items or you're running low. For everyone else, if you are running low, just call your Dollar Tree and see when their truck arrives, and then that way you and your family can be properly prepared as we continue to battle this. So they also had which were like the children's blankets and socks and a lot of different unique items, but this was it, guys. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.